Now we're ready to get the sum of squares within. That would be within each sample. We're going to see how much variation is there between the average of that sample and each number here. So the instructions say what we need to do there is subtract each mean from the subtract each number in the sample minus the sample mean. So that's going to be this number here minus. Now we're going to drag down, and we don't want to drag this number down, so we're going to anchor it in the row it's in because we don't want it to go down. So this is in row A, but we want to tell it to stay in row 8. It's in row 8 right now. So now we want to square that and then drag that down. And make sure it makes sense. Is the difference between 18 and 19 1 squared? Yeah, roughly. The difference between 24 and 19 and a half squared? Yeah, okay. So make sure it makes sense. Now we're going to drag all this across for each of our means, each of our samples, and there it is. Now all we have to do is add this up. So to add it up, it's, let's do it here. To add it up, maybe I'll do it up here. Do equals SU, that's sum, double click sum, and now highlight everything. Now watch what happens if you don't close the parenthesis. Oh, nothing. Okay. Sometimes Excel doesn't like you not to close the parenthesis. Anyway, now let's talk about these two numbers. Sum of squares among means as you go from sample to sample. That's 63. And sum of squares within is within the sample. How much variation is there within the sample? So what we're going to do is to compare these two numbers. But that'll be the next video.